Man shot dead at fishing village bar. Electrical technician accused of stealing generator oil. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 36-year-old fisherman was gunned down in Old Harbour Bay, St. Catherine on Saturday. Police reports are that about 6:30 p.m., Donovan Colin Taylor was at a bar in Old Harbour Bay Fishing Village when he was pounced upon by a man armed with a gun. The armed man fired several shots at Taylor, hitting him in the buttocks before escaping the area. The injured fisherman was reportedly taken to the Maypen Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The Old Harbour Bay police have launched an investigation into the killing but have yet to establish a motive for the gun attack. Cordell Morris, a 34-year-old electrical technician of Musgrave Avenue, Kingston 16, has been charged with 4 counts of simple larceny following an incident involving generator oil on Spanish Town Road, Kingston 11 on December 15. Reports from the police are that on 4 occasions from November 2023, Morris was recorded on his company's CCTV cameras using his underfit motorcar to load several bottles of diesel oil that he allegedly stole from the company's generator. After investigations, it was revealed that Morris stole approximately 1,120 liters of oil, which the police stated as an estimated value of $250,000. He was subsequently arrested and charged. His court date is being finalized, the police stated.